Good morning, guys, and how are you guys doing? So, for you guys who do not know, my name is Raymond. That is my name on my channel, and this is my first video. Okay, I had other videos before, but I've deleted it. But this is a very serious video. Okay, so I really need help. When I talk about really need help, I really need help. Okay, and I do understand there's other people's problems that is much bigger than mine, but mine is like medium size. Okay, I have a medium size problem. So let me give you guys a little backstory. I am currently unemployed. Okay, I've tried my utmost best to go out there and to go look for a job. I've sent in my resumes all over. I've emailed it all over. Nothing, no answer, nothing. Okay, I have zero money. I have no food. Okay, I'm taking care of my 75-year-old dad. No family member is supporting me and my dad. No family member came forward and say, look, here's something towards groceries, or here's something towards to pay the bills. Now our bills is slightly behind. Okay, our water is slightly behind, and it is something that we need to pay every month. You need to pay your water bill. Okay? So that's why I'm coming out and telling you guys that I need you guys' help. I desperately need it. So if you guys can perhaps make a little donation, big or small, I don't care. I would really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I would really appreciate it because it's very tough for me to take care of a 75-year-old man. I must, and there has to be food in the house as well. Okay, but I'll show you guys real proof that I'm not a scammer. I'm not a con artist. What you see is what you get, and I'll show you guys after this video clips of how my freezer look. My freezer is empty. My food cabinet is empty. Nobody is helping. No neighbor is helping. Nobody is helping. Okay. So I would really appreciate it. Sorry about that, guys. Really appreciate it. Okay. You guys can donate. Okay. It would help me so much. So much. It would really it would make me a very happy man because currently now I'm feeling very depressed. I'm feeling very depressed. I don't even feel like waking up in the morning anymore. Okay. My energy is drained. I mean, I am in the mood for nothing. I just want to sit. Sometimes I get suicidal thoughts, taking my own life because I'm out here fighting, a battle on my own, and this battle I'm losing. I've tried. I really have tried. So, like I said, if you guys can donate, help me out with any amount, big or small, you know. Unfortunately, I can't accept groceries because it is a rule in South Africa we cannot import groceries. So the best thing is I started a PayPal account. So you guys can just click the link in the description. You guys can donate to my PayPal account, and and I'll use the money wisely and for what the money is purposed for. Okay, for groceries and to pay the bills. Okay, so now I will show you guys how my freezer and my food cabinets look like. Okay, so stay tuned. So guys, this is what my freezer looks like. Look, empty, empty, no food, nothing, no food. Okay, this is my food cabinet. Look there. This is salt, and this is a little bit of cereal that's left. That's all that we have. Okay, we have no food, guys. No food. Okay, I'm not lying to you guys. We have absolutely nothing. Okay, so please, guys, I would really appreciate it. Okay, if you guys can make a donation. Thank you, guys, and peace.